Is your Dodge Durango key fob not working? The most common issue is a dead battery. The Durango key fob uses a CR2032 battery, which typically lasts 1 to 2 years. Diminished range or unresponsive buttons are key signs of a dead battery. To replace, carefully pry open the fob with a small screwdriver. Swap the battery, costing about $5 to $10, and reseal the fob. If a new battery doesn't fix it, try a relearn procedure. Cycle the ignition key 3 times, or use the driver's door keyhole for keyless models. Then press the lock and unlock buttons in sequence. This resyncs the fob with your vehicle's system and often resolves syncing issues from electromagnetic interference. Remember, wear and tear or water damage can also lead to failure, so keep your keys clean and dry. If battery replacement and relearning don't resolve the key fob issue, the problem might be with the body control module, or BCM. To reset the module, disconnect the vehicle's battery for 10 to 15 minutes, then reconnect it and perform the relearn procedure. For vehicles equipped with Uconnect, accessing the module may require diagnostic tools. Looking ahead, Dodge Durangos are shifting toward digital integration, with newer models using smartphone-linked digital key fobs that reduce reliance on physical fobs and their battery issues. Stellantis is planning to phase out physical key fobs entirely. While DIY methods work for many issues, complex problems may require professional diagnosis at a dealership.